What do you think about cameras or image sensors? What have been some of the applications that excite you the most?
Pretty soon everything is going to be video. It's all about video right now in the automotive, over the road, and even equipment space. Cameras are critical for a number of reasons, but obviously driver safety is one. But probably one of the biggest ones is to avoid lawsuits and use forensics, around accidents and events like that. ELD, logging of driver hours, behavior, et cetera. So again, back to AI, more and more AI is making its way into these camera systems. Right now, one of the issues with it, though, is it's kind of island AI is what I call it. I mean, it's stuck with the camera itself, and there's not a lot of correlative AI that can look at, hey, this is what's going on in the vehicle itself. It's at this speed, it's got this much gas, and this is happening with the driver and around the driver. So that's the next big wave, I think, that's coming with cameras.
So I think the phrase that I've heard is multi-sensor fusion.
Yeah.
What do you, from your perspective, what is the best way to accomplish multi-sensor fusion and provide value from it?
Yeah, so this in a way ties back to what we were talking about a minute ago, which is more intelligence at the edges of the networks. So to be able to do correlative multi-sensor fusion type applications, you've got to have the horsepower at the edge to do that. Yep. So you need higher end devices. Doesn't necessarily mean more expensive because, as Moore's law dictates, things get cheaper over time as with more integration. But bringing that capability of multiple feeds from sensors, cameras, vehicle data, whatever you want to add to that, to a common point at the edge, not having to backhaul it all to the cloud, is really a big key because it won't scale, trying to backhaul all that data.